This court, in a large number of cases, has deprecated the practice of the High Courts entertaining writ petitions questioning legality of the so-called notices, stalling inquiries as proposed, and retarding investigative process to find actual facts with the participation and in the presence of the parties. Stop. Unless the High Court is satisfied that the so-called notice was totally non-est in the eye of law for absolute want of jurisdiction of the authority to even investigate into facts, writ petitions should not be entertained for the mere asking and as a matter of routine, and the writ petitioner should invariably be directed to respond to the so-called notice and take all stands highlighted in the writ petition. Stop. Whether the so-called notice was founded on any legal premises is a jurisdictional issue which can even be urged by the recipient of the notice, and such issues also can be adjudicated by the authority issuing the very notice initially before the aggrieved could approach the court. Stop. Further, when the court passes an interim order, it should be careful to see that the statutory functionaries, especially and specifically constituted for the purpose, are not denuded of powers and authority to initially decide the matter and ensure that ultimate relief, which may or may not be finally granted in the writ petition, is accorded to the writ petitioner even at the threshold by the interim protection granted. Stop. In the instant case, the High Court has not indicated any reason while giving interim protection. Stop. Though while passing interim orders, it is not necessary to elaborately deal with the merits. It is certainly desirable and proper for the High Court to indicate the reasons which has weighed with it in granting such an extraordinary relief in the form of an interim protection. Stop. This admittedly has not been done in the case at hand. Stop. The High Court was justified not only in entertaining writ petition but also in granting the interim protection. Para. While issuing notice on 7/7/2003, this court had granted interim stay of the impugned order. Stop. The respondent had entered appearance and we have heard the learned senior counsel on either side. Stop. In the fitness of thinks, taking into account the above circumstances, we dispose of the appeal with a direction that the proceedings emanating from the so-called notice shall be continued, but the final order passed pursuant thereto shall not be communicated to the respondent number 1 without leave or further orders of the High Court. Stop. The writ petition shall be disposed of on merits in accordance with law. Stop. Any observation made in this appeal shall not be construed to be expression of any opinion on the merits of the matter pending before the High Court. Stop. Since the controversy is of a very limited as well as serious nature, the High Court may explore the possibility of early disposal of the writ petition. Stop. The appeal is allowed to the extent indicated with no order as to costs. Stop.